Hello Kapip! Welcome sa community. I'm Coach Janet, one of the founders and coaches ng Pinoy's in Profit. Ang PIP ay Filipino Trading Community for every Pinoys. Kaya kung student ka man, employees, OFW, parents, na gustong matuto ng Forex with structure at syempre with discipline, na dito lang kami. Ang focus natin dito ay framework, risk management, trading psychology, at syempre, community support. Ang goal natin, progress over perfection. Consistent learning, consistent execution, at good news, lumipat na tayo sa school at alam nyo ba, free na ito. Tama, free na nga ang ating community. At paano nga ba makapasok? Simple lang. Click the school link na dito lang sa baba. Complete the quick onboarding questions. Second, sign up using our official partner brokers. Narito rin ang link, so pwede mong i-access anytime. At syempre Kapip ha, hindi mo kailangan mag-deposit agad kasi nga, i-guide ka pa namin. So ang kailangan mo lang ay mag-create ng account for verification. Alright? And reminder ha, trading has risk. Hindi guaranteed ang profit. But we provide education and guidance para maging consistent trader ka. Kaya if ready ka na, click the link below and join us now kasi nga free community na tayo. See you inside!